my dear students, welcome to Dashu's Secret Box module number 3. Before I take you to module number 3, let us quickly do a recap on module number 1 and module number 2. In module number 1, we learnt about Dashu. Dashu was a boy who was extremely popular in the school. Even introvert children knew Dashu very well. How did Dashu look? Dashu had big round eyes, long ears and untidy hair. Children, in place of untidy, you can also use the word unkempt hair. UNKEMPT. Unkempt means untidy. Dashu spoke very fast and walked very fast, and that is why his body language was compared to lobsters. When it came to solving maths problems, Dashu's brain worked well. That means he was good at maths. Now, one thing about Dashu was that he was a prankster. He used to play well thought of tricks on his friends, because of which his friends were left stunned and embarrassed. Children, in module number 1, we learnt about the incidents which took place between Dashu and Jagabandhu. Jagabandhu was famous as the best boy of the class. All the teachers admired Jagabandhu. One day, Dashu approached Jagabandhu to know the meaning of an English word. Jagabandhu was not a helpful fellow at all. He said, "Today I would help you with the English word. Tomorrow somebody would come to me and ask me a math doubt, and next day something else. I would go on wasting my time with like this." So Dashu became very cross with Jagabandhu because he did not help, and he gave him a bad word. He said, "You are a petty little rascal." Children, I would like you to know here that it's very unfair, or it was not correct on Dashu's part to use a bad word. Because if we use bad word, it not only spoils our name, it spoils our family name also. So, when Dashu had used a bad word for Jagabandhu, Jagabandhu complained about this to Pandit Mashai. And Pandit Mashai scolded Dashu that he became very, very quiet. But Dashu had this incident in mind and he wanted to teach a lesson to Jagabandhu. Now come to module number 2. Children, in module number 2, we came to know about the prank which Dashu played on Jagabandhu. Bishtu Babu was the class's English teacher, and his favorite student was Jagabandhu. Whenever Bishtu Babu needed a book to refer to, he always used to ask Jagabandhu. So on one such day, Bishtu Babu asked him for a book and Jagabandhu handed him over the book. Bishtu Babu started reading. Firstly, he was surprised. He was thinking that maybe the edition has changed and that is why the book is looking out to be different. He started reading hair-raising detective tales of Inspector Jashovant. Now the entire class was surprised because the book had been changed. Jagabandhu stood there froze. He was very scared of Mashai sir. He thought that Bishtu Babu would scold him. Of course, he tried to defend himself by muttering something, but Bishtu Babu cut him short and scolded him. So till here we have learnt in module number 1 and module number 2. Children, I would like you to recap the words that we learnt in module 1 and module 2. First word which we learnt in module 1 was embarrassed, which means feeling ashamed or shy. Second word which we learnt in module number 1 was petty. Petty means to complain about small little things. Third word was telling off. The meaning of telling off is scolding. The next word which we learnt in module number 2 was flabbergasted. Flabbergasted means to be surprised. Ears went red. The meaning of ears went red is to feel ashamed. And one more word which we learnt in module number 2 was hair-raising, which means very, very frightening. So that was about module number 1 and module number 2. Now let me take you the lesson of module number 3. On one such occasion, just after the vacation, Dashu came to school with a very interesting box. Now Dashu came to the school with an interesting box. Master Mashai asked him, "What's in that box, Dashu?" He replied, "My things, sir." Even the teacher asked him, "What is there inside such a big box?" He said, "My things." A little debate ensued among us regarding what these things were. Children, the meaning of ensured is to follow on something. Now, because Dashu had brought an interesting box to the school. A discussion happened between the children of the class. That is why the author has used the word ensued. Ensued means to follow as a result of something. We noticed Dashu had all his school items on his desk. All the items of Dashu, his books, notebooks, pencil, blade, everything was kept on the desk. Nothing was there inside the box. But that is why everybody was wondering, what is it that Dashu is carrying in that interesting box? Then what things was he talking about? When we asked him, he didn't reply. Instead, he clutched the box to his chest and said, children, the meaning of clutched is he held the box very tightly towards him. I am warning you all, don't ever mess with my box. Then he opened the box with the key and peeked inside while mumbling some calculations. Then what happened? In order to raise even further curiosity among the students, Dashu opened the box and he was mumbling some calculations. The moment I tried to lean over to look inside it, Dashu locked it up. Okay, and when the narrator tried to see what was there inside the box, Dashu locked it up. Soon this became a hot topic of discussion for the rest of us. Someone said, "It's his lunchbox. He must be hiding food inside it." But I never saw him open the box during lunchtime to eat anything. Some people thought maybe he is keeping his lunch inside. Some people thought maybe it's his money bag. Some suggested it could be his money bag. It must contain a lot of cash. That is why he never parts with it. Children, the meaning of never parts with it means Dashu was never seen without his box. During lunch one day, now there is a prank which is played by Dashu. What it is? During one day, Dashu gave me the key to the box and said, "Keep this with you and make sure you don't lose it." He said, "Keep this box with you and make sure that you don't lose it. If I get a little late in returning, please hand the key over to the watchman before you all go to the classroom." With that, he went away, leaving the box with the watchman. Now, this is what everybody was waiting for. He gave the key to the narrator and box to the watchman. He said, "If I get late to the class or before the lunch, till the lunch, you can hand over the key to the watchman and go to the class." We were thrilled. We could now solve the mystery of the box. If only the watchman would move away for a while. Now they were wondering, if the watchman parts his ways with the box, we will be able to see what is there inside. Shortly thereafter, the watchman lit his stove to make rotis and went to the water tap with a few utensils. So, whatever children were expecting, it happened. Watchman moved away from the box. This was the moment we had been waiting for. 5 to 7 of us bent over the box. Now 5 to 7 children, they bent over the box. I opened it and saw a fat bundle of papers rolled tightly using a string. Now there were paper bundles inside that box. Quickly untying the knot, we found another bundle inside, which in turn carried yet another small paper bundle. So what happened? There were some paper bundle inside the box. On opening that, a card popped out. One side of the card said, "Eat a grain banana," while the other side had the words, "Excessive curiosity is not good." So again, that was a prank played by Dashu on the children. When children opened the box, they saw paper bundles inside the box, and there was a message for the children that excessive curiosity is not good. We were shocked and speechless. Then someone finally said, "That boy surely took us for a ride." Another boy said, "Let's tie it up exactly the way it was, so he would not know we had opened it." Now another boy gave a suggestion, said, "Let us keep the box as it is, so that Dashu would not come to know that we had opened the box. That would teach him a lesson, all right." I said, "Fine. When he returns, you all politely request him to open the box and show us what it contains." We quickly rolled up all the papers with the string and dropped the bundle inside the box. So, everybody kept the box as it is. I was just about to lock the box when we heard the loud laughter. Now narrator was going to lock the box and then they heard the laughter. That's when we saw Dashu seated on the top of the school wall, laughing insanely. So Dashu had been watching all of them opening the box, reading the message. It had been his prank. He had been watching us the whole time. We realized the entire chain of events, giving me the key, leaving the box with the watchman, making an excuse, going out at lunch, had been a part of Dashu's elaborate plan. So it was a plan which Dashu had been playing for so many days. He had been carrying that box for all these days just to make us look like idiots. Is it because any reason we call him Crazy Dashu? So children, did you like the story? It was again a plan which was laid out by Dashu on the children. He just raised curiosity among the children on what was there inside the box. And finally they came to know it was nothing. It was just a message for the boys saying excessive curiosity is not good. Children, in module number 3 also we learned few new words. Word number 1 is ensured. Ensured means to follow as a result of something. Clutched. Clutched means to hold something very tightly. Never parts with it means never seen without it. Took us for a ride means tricked us. Insanely means madly. To laugh like a mad. And elaborate means detailed and complex. So these are the new words which we learnt in module number 3. Children, I hope you enjoyed the lesson Dashu's Secret Box. I will see you with a new lesson very shortly. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you.